Hey YouTube, Marko with Marko Custom Build Models, coming today with a special model kit that I have never seen another one other than when I was younger. My brothers had one that was in pieces. Never had the whole kit. One day I walk into a swap meet and here it is, the Midnite Cowboy Custom Chevy Wrecker Special Limited Edition by Revell. It's kind of silly. It's not something that's, but it's fun. It's fun and it's really cool. It always had a neat look, right? So I don't know if anybody out there on YouTube has seen one of these. When I picked this up, it was sealed. I had to open it, and has a flip front end. Well, let's get in the box and see what's inside. If you ever come across one of these, so there it is, fresh vintage plastic. So here's that funky hood that looks like a big truck hood that then lines up with the Chevy cab. It's got these big tires that the old Revells came with if it was a 4x4. Kind of a meaty looking tire. They're on a tree there. So let's see here. I'm just going to pull this cab out together so you can see what that looks like. Here, let me move this here. So here's the cab and the truck cab. I'm sure this is very similar to the Revell monogram Chevy truck cab that you've seen in like the half tons, but without front fenders molded on. So that allows the cab to sort of dip forward there. Then here's the wrecker box or bed. Alright, set that up there. Okay. We also have our clear parts. This is, of course, the windshield and corner vent windows. I'm going to put this into a Ziploc bag so it doesn't get scratched up. And then it's got the two revolving lights set up there. There's a couple more beacons and some headlights. That's the tree for the clear parts. All right. And on this tree, we have, alright, looks like a fuel tank and parts for the wrecker bed, and then that boom for the. That's what it looks like on the back side there. This looks like the back piece for the wrecker. It's just kind of in the box there. It's got a couple places for tow hooks. Okay. Alright, on this tree we have our interior tub here, bench seat molded in. We got a floor jack here. A couple of side for the dollies, looks like. Some exhaust. A couple of jerry cans, more piece for the wrecker, piece for the floor jack. Those are the 4 dolly wheels there. There you go, that's what that looks like on the back side of it. Of course, the firewall here, and that back wall for the cab. Alright, here we have the small block Chevy, looks like. The heads and intake manifold assembly, the radiator. There's a front axle for the truck, looks like a straight axle, drive shaft. Some wheel pieces, and then some more pieces for the wrecker. A set of cab lights here for the top, a set of headers, mud flaps. There's the other side there of that tree. Here's the dashboard here. Nice detail on the dashboard. Typical square body Chevy. Looks like it's a molded in CB radio. Got leaf springs and then the chassis, rear differential there. That's what it looks like there. We have the front bumper in the box. That's that mean looking bumper that's on the front there. Okay. Set that up in front there. And then here's the chrome tree. It has the word script here, says Pete. And then there's headlights and some maybe some oil tanks or fuel tanks. These are the front and rear wheels. If you look, there's the back side deep dish wheel there. So it doesn't have dual tires in the back, just singles all the way around. We got our bar lights here, some caps, tanks, all the pieces, mirrors, and valve covers, things to make up everything on that truck. There's the one side, then there's the back side of it. The last thing in the box is the instructions, and then here's a decal sheet. It says Midnite Cowboy on it with the skulls here. Some striping for the tow rig, and here's the instructions. Midnite Cowboy here. Anyway, just a fun kit. I never see these things. I don't even see them, you know, at swap meets. I don't even see them built. I haven't seen very many. Like I said, 2 of them in my entire life. And there you have it. Midnite Cowboy. Please comment about it below. If you've seen one or if you have one in your collection, that'd be kind of neat. So there you have it. Midnite Cowboy Custom Chevy Wrecker by Revell. And if you like these videos, please subscribe, hit that like button, ring the bell for notifications. Please like, share, and comment. Have yourself a great day, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.